Hello everyone, welcome back to our daily LeetCode series. So without wasting any time, let's just dive into this question. So it's a medium question, bag of tokens. So let's just read it. You start with an initial power. Okay, we're given some power and we are given some score which is 0 initially, and we are also given some tokens. Okay, and okay, your goal is to maximize the total score. Okay, maximize it, and by strategically playing these tokens in one move you can play an unplayed token. Okay, there's one point, we can play any token not in the given order. Okay, in one of the two ways but not both for the same token. Okay, so what are the ways given to us? One is face up. Okay, face up, if your current power is at least greater than or at least equal to greater than the token, then we can play that token and that will give us 1 point, and that will also reduce our power. So this will power minus token and this will score +1 if power is greater than equal to our token. Okay, and the next one is face down. So what is it gonna do? The condition is if your score is at least 1. Okay, score should be at least 1, not power. Score should be at least 1, and we may play the token gaining tokens high power. So okay, so the power is getting added up here and we are losing our score. Okay, return the maximum possible score you can achieve after playing any number of tokens. Cool, so we'll just see some examples. Okay, we're given tokens equal to 100 and power is 50. Okay, so in this case we have only one token, so if we play face up, power is not greater than token, so we can't play face up, and if we play face down then our score would become negative, so here we'll just return 0 as the result. Now let's just take this one. What are we gonna do here? So in this case our power is 150, so if we choose the token 200, our power is less than this token, so better we go to our 100 one first. So our power is greater, so our score will become +1, so it will become 1, and our power will be left to 150 minus 100, that is 50. Okay, so our score became 1. Now if we play 200, our score will again become 0, because we can play face down here as our score is greater than 1, so we can play face down here, but if we play face down, so our score will become again 0, so the result here would be 1. Now let's check this example. This would be a bit interesting. Okay, so we are given 100, 200, 300 and 400. Okay, so we'll play 100 first, and as the power is greater than 100, so we'll play 100 and we'll play face up for it. Our score would become 1, our power would be left to 200 minus 100, that is 100. So now next, if we play 200, our power is 100 only now, so we can't play 200 face up. So there's one case, what we can do is if we play 200 face down, our score will become again 0 and our power will become 100 plus 200, right, which is 300. So in such a case, if you observe it, when we are playing face down, in that case why should we take 200? Instead of that we should take 400. If suppose I take 400 here, my score will become 0, but if you see, my power will become 500 in that case. So now with this 500 I can play 200 face up, score becomes 1 again, power becomes 500 minus 200, that is 300, and I can again play 300 as well face up, score will become 2, power will become 300 minus 300, that is 0, so our score comes out to be 2. And if we would have played 200 here, our power would have just been 300. We only would have played 300 then. So, and if so, with this example, we can see that somehow we need to sort it in ascending order, and we also need to keep track of the 2 pointers, that is left having the smallest and right having the largest element. And also, if you happen to see the topics tags in it, then this would be the biggest hint that you can get. It's 2 pointers and sorting as well. So I hope this question is now you've got this question, the gist of it. Now let's just code it out. So what we can do is, first of all, we'll just sort it. Okay, tokens. So this way I'm just telling how I approach a question. If you are stuck, you can also go to some topics and you can check which topics are involved. That would also give you some hint. Okay, so back to our question, we'll take score 0 and we'll also take our result. Why result? Because score can also become 1, 0 and maybe -1, and then it can again become 0, 1 and 2. So result will contain the maximum of it, and we'll just return result at the end. And what we'll do, we'll just take 2 pointers, and left equal to 0, right equal to tokens dot length -1, and we'll just start it like that, or not just, we'll just do while left is less than equal to right. Okay, and we'll just check for the face up if our power is greater than equal to token left, because for face up we are only going to take the left ones, and for face down we are going to take the largest ones. So this is for the face up. So what I'll do is I'll put score plus equal to 1, and I'll do power equal to minus of token left, and I'll do left plus plus. Else what can we do is, else now we need to play, this is a face down. Now closely if we observe, face down has a condition if your score is at least 1, so we need to check this. If score is greater than equal to 1, then only we can play face down, else we can't play anymore. We can just break or return result then and there. Now our score would be, if we are doing this, our power will get added up, token right, and we'll do score -1, and we'll do right plus right minus minus, and we also need to update our res. We can even update it inside our face up, and let's just run this once. Okay, sorry, I missed it. If power is greater, okay, that's tokens. Okay, I'll just change the name here, no issues with that. Token, and we'll just do this. Yeah, it works fine. Let's just submit it. Yeah, it works perfectly. We can even check the best solution better than this. Oh, it's the same. Yeah, so this is it. Thank you for watching.